The model which I am about to share is the most powerful concept I ever learned when it comes to productivity and getting the most out of yourself. It's called habit gravity and escape velocity. It's a synthesis between Zen Buddhism and systems theory. The most important and powerful state we can be in is the state of called awareness. Now, what is awareness? Awareness is when we remember that we are alive. We zoom out for a second and see the bigger picture. Think of getting in a major car accident and it shocks you so much that you call up all the people you love and you tell them that you love them. That's awareness. We have one more element in this model, and the rarest and most precious form of energy we have is called willpower. We get a tiny bit of each day, every day, and we often waste it on things that are not important, like holding back our true emotions. Now it takes 30 days to form a new habit. If you do something every day, it will take on a life of its own after 30 days. So days 1 to 10 is the first phase. I call it defying gravity. Yes. Defying means that you are trying to make yourself behave in a particular way and you follow that in a certain way. And what is gravity? Gravity is the force that causes things to drop to the ground. So I am using this as a metaphor, defying gravity. So in this phase, first phase of defying gravity, everything inside of you will tell you, no, I don't want to do that. No, I will not be doing that. Okay, why to do that? Okay, that's called the phase number 1. The phase 2 is 11th day to 20th day. It's called the second phase, or I call it resistance. You're no longer defiant at this stage, but you still have to push through. You don't naturally feel like doing it yet. Now in the third phase, day 21 to 30, I call it acclimatization. The resistance starts going away, it's melting away, it's beginning to feel like natural thing to do. Here is how this ties back to awareness and willpower. When we get some awareness and willpower, we can use them to start or develop a new habit. What may be called as a routine, like a routine of gymming, doing meditation, reading, etc. etc. That way 30 days later, it will have a life of its own. And you won't need more awareness or more willpower to keep it going. Then the next time you get awareness or willpower, use them to start a new habit and repeat the cycle. When you do, you will become so much productive that you won't even believe it. So do and implement this tool. I am waiting for the result. Please do share your result. I am excitedly waiting for your results. Thank you so much.